Now, one of the best takedowns, one of the most low-risk takedowns that you can use in Jiu-Jitsu is going to be Tomoe Nage.
It's Tomoe Nage.
So if you can get good at Tomoe Nage, it's not only going to be low risk, but you can get a really, really good result. And worst case scenario, if it fails, it just turns into a guard pull and you just start playing guard. Right? So from a situation where we both have generic grips on each other, we're going to go in and we're going to take our training partner at the tricep. So we take our training partner's tricep, we take our training partner's collar. Now, when I want to go in and I want to hit this move, I don't want to do it from a static position where we're both static on each other. I want to start generating some movement. So the moment that I start making grips on my training partner, I want to start looking to start moving him around the mat, and I want to take the slack out of my training partner's gi, and I start to flap my arms, okay, like so. So I start coming in, and we start to move this guy, like this.
And I will not be bullied by that.
In order for me to hit a good Tomoe Nage, what I need is my training partner's core to be hollow. I don't want a stiff body. I want to hollow out his body here, okay? So when I start generating this movement, what ends up happening is I start to hollow out his body, and I can start stepping in, getting underneath my partner, and sending him over and coming up on top. When I hollow him out, I come out, 1, 2, I step across. Now I use a circular falling step. So I take my left foot as if I was gonna step, but I take a falling step and a circle across his body. So my head goes to his right foot. We step across. As I'm falling, watch as I open my right elbow. That takes his head directly above mine. That puts my foot in the perfect position, right underneath that hollow body. My right foot goes down to the mat. We send this guy over. We come up on top. Let's give it a shot. Tomoe Nage. I go through for the Tomoe Nage.
It's Tomoe Nage.
I step around, and my training partner just sits heavy on his heels, and I feel that I'm never going to be able to lift this guy. Okay, no problem. Now we're just playing guard. Okay, so we lost nothing. We got the fight to the ground. That was our goal. Now, the second my training partner sits his way back to his heels, we're just going to take our grips down to the ankle. We're going to take our other foot, and we're going to place it right there behind his knee, and we're just going to sit our training partner down with a simple tripod sweep. Right from this position, we heist up to our knee, and we keep control of his leg. So when he tries to come up, we can just push him straight down to the floor and come up on top. So off of a failed Tomoe Nage, tripod sweep is always going to be a good option. So we come through, we start moving this guy around, we start stepping across, and right from here, he sits heavy on his hips. No problem. We catch the ankle, we come behind the knee, and right from here, we just put him right down to the floor. We keep the ankle, we come up to our knee. When he goes to come up, we just pick the foot up nice and high. All right, let's try it. We go hooking on the knee. He steps out. Now we switch our feet. Now the foot goes to the opposite hip, toes pointed out. The other foot goes right here. Don't try to hook it with your heel. Just plant your foot and connect it to his calf. And right from here, I just push with my foot. I stay sticky with this leg, so when he tries to lift that leg off the floor, I connect to it. And I pull this ankle all at once. And that sends him down. We control the ankle, and we come up on top. All right, let's try it. Tripod to reverse tripod. All right, guys, get with your partners. First round, mount positions. Bye.